Welcome to Global Campus Group. In this lesson, we continue Unit 1, Exploring Business, by examining the role and contribution of innovation and enterprise in modern business. This is a critical topic because businesses today operate in highly competitive and rapidly changing environments. Innovation and enterprise enable organizations to adapt, grow, and remain competitive. In this lecture, we will focus on two key areas. First, we will examine the role and contribution of innovation and enterprise. Second, we will analyze the benefits and risks associated with innovation and enterprise. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain how innovation and enterprise contribute to business success and evaluate both their advantages and potential risks. Innovation is the process of introducing new ideas, methods, products, or services. It is not only about creativity, but about implementing ideas successfully to create value. Innovation begins with creativity, where new ideas and concepts are generated by thinking beyond conventional boundaries. Innovation plays a crucial role in developing new or improved products and services. By introducing unique features or addressing unmet customer needs, businesses can attract new customers and retain existing ones. Innovation also improves processes and technologies. This may include automation, digital tools, and improved workflows. These changes increase efficiency and reduce costs, directly improving profitability. Innovation adds value by enhancing functionality, quality, and customer experience. This allows businesses to differentiate from competitors, charge higher prices, and increase market share. Through innovation, businesses can establish a unique position in the market, leading to stronger brand identity, customer loyalty, and long-term success. Enterprise is the ability and willingness to develop, organize, and manage business opportunities while taking risks to make a profit. Enterprise is about recognizing opportunities and acting on them. Business managers identify opportunities through different thinking approaches. Creative thinking involves generating new ideas and solutions. Lateral thinking involves approaching problems from different perspectives. Blue sky thinking involves unrestricted thinking to generate bold and innovative ideas. Enterprise is also driven by chance and serendipity, where unexpected opportunities are recognized and developed. Intuition also plays a role, allowing entrepreneurs to make decisions based on experience and instinct. Innovation and enterprise provide many benefits. These include improvements in products, services, and processes, and better customer experience. These include business growth, entry into new and niche markets, development of unique selling points, and smarter working practices. Innovation supports business growth by introducing new products and increasing revenue. Enterprise supports expansion and market development. Innovation allows businesses to create unique selling points, while enterprise ensures these are effectively used in the market. This leads to stronger differentiation, competitiveness, and customer loyalty. Innovation introduces smarter working through automation and digital systems. Enterprise promotes agility and adaptability within the organization. However, there are also risks associated with innovation and enterprise. Innovation may fail if products do not meet market needs or if operations cannot support implementation. There is also financial risk, as innovation often requires significant investment with no guarantee of return. Enterprise activities may lead to financial loss if outcomes are unsuccessful. There are also cultural risks. Employees may resist change, and existing systems may not support innovation. Lack of leadership support can also prevent successful implementation. Without strong leadership and alignment, innovation initiatives may fail to deliver results. Let us now summarize the lesson. We examine the role of innovation in product development, efficiency, value creation, and competitive advantage. We explored enterprise and how opportunities are identified. We also analyzed the benefits and risks associated with innovation and enterprise. These concepts are essential for understanding how businesses grow, adapt, and remain competitive. Thank you for joining this lesson from Global Campus Group.